Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make keep inventory in Minecraft. This essential game rule, known as keep inventory, dictates what happens to your items and experience when your character perishes. By default, Minecraft makes you drop everything you carry, but with a simple command, you can ensure all your valuable possessions remain safe and sound in your inventory after an unfortunate demise. To activate this helpful feature, first, open your chat window. You can usually do this by pressing the T key or the / key on your keyboard. Once the chat is open, carefully type the command /gamma keep inventory true. After pressing enter, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the game rule has been successfully updated to true, securing your inventory. Now that you've enabled the command, it's a good idea to test it out. Find a safe way to intentionally die in your game, perhaps by jumping from a high place. Upon respawning, you should notice that all your inventory items and experience levels are still with you. This confirms the keep inventory rule is active, saving you from the frustration of losing your valuable gear. If you ever wish to revert to the default Minecraft experience, where death carries the consequence of losing your items, simply open your chat window again. Type the command /gamma keep inventory false and press enter. This will disable the keep inventory rule. Many players prefer this setting for a more challenging and authentic survival gameplay, adding an extra layer of risk and reward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.